Hi, this is Taylor with Vortec Pressure Cleaning. I'm going to show you something kind of interesting today. A little bit of what I call pressure washing porn. Got 3 pressure washers hooked together. Got this one guy over here, just put together. Going into that. Goes into this line. Both these are hooked together. So I'm going to show you what it's like to have 10 gallons a minute from 3 small pressure washers. I'm going to start this one up first. Yeah, that motor doesn't run too great. I'll just put it together, brought it back from the dead. So you can see that. Maybe when, whatever. Now I'm going to start up the other 2. Show you the difference. I mean, I can barely hold this thing. It's like, let's see how far the water shoots without the tip in it. You can see the other pressure washer kick in at first. See, there it goes. I mean, this is putting some water down, man. Isn't that crazy? That's 3 of them hooked together. All running into the same one.